Hey guys, this is Moshe. This is my wife. Just got home after a 3 hour scary ride with the Tesla Model 3. A 3 hour huge snowstorm. This is usually a 30 minutes ride. It took her 3 hours. I was on the phone with her the entire time. I have 3 hours of footage from this ride. I'm just going to share with you 3 minutes or less. This is the last part, the worst part of this trip when we come up the hill. It's taken from the dash cam in the Tesla. I took out the USB and I saw all the footage. This is really scary. I helped her out. One thing I can tell you: use Waze. It really saved her life. Really, it was such a great navigator. And I have to say that even though the Tesla Model 3 it's a rear-wheel drive and I have the 19-inch sports tires, which are not for snow, my snow tire is going to be installed next week, and nobody thought they were going to get a snowstorm before Thanksgiving. But look at this, she's going up the hill. It's a treacherous hill, and a lot of cars got stuck. There was no plowing, no preparation, and it was really an unbelievable experience, unbelievable in the bad way. Here she's right getting into the neighborhood area. You see, it's hard to see from the camera, but I have to tell you, from what she told me, the Tesla did extremely well. Unbelievable performance by the Tesla, going up really steep hills towards our neighborhood. This is really, I mean, you can't tell it from here, but the hills in my neighborhood are unbelievably steep. And she made it. She absolutely made it, and it was really an experience. She said that the wiper blades were not that great. They got frozen, and she put the defroster the entire ride, and it didn't help that much. You had to get out of the car a couple times and just pound it on the windshield so to break the ice but the car was very comfortable, very warm. She had no fear of running out of range. You know, the car had plenty of range. There was no way that she was going to run out of gas, so to speak. So here is really coming close to the house, and I want to tell you, it was like what do you call it? A pop quiz, a surprise test for the Tesla, and the Tesla did extremely well. I cannot tell you, not ready for the winter. I always put snow plows. Now, what happened? I'm going to see it in a minute. The plows came to my neighborhood. This is right before my house. They came to my neighborhood right before she arrived home, and they plowed in, and then she just went through it. Look, that's my house. She went through that little plow and got right into the garage. So she made it safe. Oh my God, that was amazing. All right, guys, that's me coming to say with my pajama coming to say hello. Thank you, guys.